Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a reliable environment. Install Python 3. 10 or newer and enable pip so packages install cleanly. Once done, choose an editor that fits your workflow, VS Code for extensions, PyCharm for built-in tools, or a lightweight editor for quick edits. Next, make a per-project virtual environment with Python mvenv. Venv and activate it. This isolates dependencies and prevents system conflicts. Make sure to test by installing one package and running a tiny script to confirm everything works. You now focus on deliberate practice. Work through core syntax, variables, functions, loops, and conditionals, so those patterns become instinctive. Then complete about 10 small, focused projects. A CSV parser, a CLI tool, an API caller. These teach practical I/O, error handling, and testing. Once comfortable, explore the standard library, pathlib for files, JSON for data, datatime for time, and subprocess for external calls. Because knowing stdlib saves you from reinventing solutions and speeds real-world development. You finish by leveling up. Add unit tests, learn a debugger, and adopt type hints to catch mistakes earlier. Practice basic algorithms and data structures to improve reasoning. Push projects to Git with clear README, use CI for automated checks, and practice code reviews to solidify habits. If something breaks, isolate the problem, add focused logs or prints, and reduce code to the minimal reproducible example. This troubleshooting step saves hours and teaches you the actual cause of failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.